SpiderWire offers anglers the strongest, thinnest, most sensitive superlines on the market. At the heart of the SpiderWire brand is Stealth, a super braid engineered for high performance in saltwater and fresh. Stealth offers strength without thickness, and because it doesn't stretch, it allows you to feel everything from the slightest bite to rocks, weeds, or structure. Stealth is engineered with a 4-step process beginning with gel spinning, which produces micro-thin yet strong Dyneema fibers. These fibers are then bundled into individual threads and woven for uniform roundness and incredible strength. Fluorocoating is the 4th and final step, resulting in a line that is super strong, super smooth, quiet, and quick through the guides. SpiderWire Stealth comes in 6 colors: moss green, green camo, glow vis, high vis yellow, blue camo, and new translucent. Translucent is a game-changing line. Below the surface, its fluorocoating helps break up the line's outline to reduce its visibility to fish. But above the water, it appears white, so it's easy to see.
As a guide, I want to know where my customers' lines are at all times. Translucent's high visibility above the water allows me to easily track my clients' lines and help them keep their fish hooked up all the way to the boat.
SpiderWire Stealth comes in break strengths from 6 to 100-pound test and a variety of popular spool configurations, including 125, 200, 300, 500, 1500, and 3,000-yard spools to fit your needs. SpiderWire Stealth. Nothing gets away.